stop her, who will?
We're gonna need a battle plan and weapons.
Violence never solves a problem. Is this some kind of jewelry? Oh, it's actually kind of cool looking.
Give me that!
The only weapons we need are this guy, this guy, for hugs.
This is gonna take a lot of hugs.
Let's go save the world!
This is a terrible idea that will blow up in your face.
The country trolls look friendly.
Get him! Does anyone else think this is crazy?
Oh, look, I think I can see our house from up here.
Come quick! I'm having a baby!
A hip-hop troll?
Tiny Diamond is my name. Come straight from my daddy's name. My whole body's made of glitter, and I'll throw it in your face. Peace and love, Tiny and Daddy Al.
Guess it's time to introduce myself. Lawn started. Just 3 ounces of pressure to the vagus nerve, and then look at your boy, sleepy night-night.
Lance Sterling, a legendary spy who's always dressed to impress. Walter Beckett graduated MIT at 15 and works in the Tech Innovations Lab.
There are so many gadgets I want to test in the field. For example, the inflatable hug. Kind of a personal protection device I've been developing.
This is a vile waste of taxpayer dollars.
This is your next objective. None of our agents can get close to him.
I have something that can help. It's called biodynamic concealment. Imagine if I can make you disappear. Hey, Lance, look at me.
Look at you? I can see my butt and your face at the same time.
That is so cool. Being a pigeon could make you an even better spy. Pigeons are everywhere and nobody notices them. In fact, pigeons can see in slow motion.
That was tight.
Did anyone else see a pigeon? And pigeons can fly up to 92 miles per hour.
Don't you throw me off this roof!
He'll figure it out.
All right, Kimura, starting. It's about to get messy. Time to go sleepy night-night. I miss my hands. I gotta stay.
We have different skill sets. That's what makes us such a great team.
Walter, you're squeezing too. Oh! What happens in the submarine stays in the submarine.
Gentlemen, we are smoke jumpers, the most elite team of firefighters in the world. We must be at our very best.
Every second of every day.
Give me a line. We do what I say, and we do it now.
He said no. We're a go for extraction.
No, wait, what? So we can get you back to your parents. I'm legally bound to take care of you, so that's what I'm gonna do. And in turn, you're gonna be obedient so we can do our job.
And when you do this, when you go like that, it's not helpful.
No shenanigans under my watch.
Me, fireman. Can't turn my neck.
What needs to happen this second is you gotta watch your tone, little sister.
Or what?
Masher is coming to rock your world.
Dad?
What just happened?
I think the baby just broke a dog, Sue.
Good doggy.
I get distracted. I can't do this job effectively.
Don't you remember what it's like to be a kid?
Soup? Did we kill you? Guys, I found my school Nerf guns!
Those aren't Nerf guns!
now it's a party.
What kind of firefighter are you?
I know you don't see it, but he has a sweet side.
What a rush. Boom boom.
Boom boom, what's boom boom?
Don't look at me.
Don't do it or I'm gonna...
This film is not yet rated.
Stay tuned after the movie for previews. And now our feature presentation.
Bubbling boilers.